name is Eagle Eye, and today I'm going to show you something that happened last night. So, a few of our fireworks actually exploded. A few people got somewhat hurt. See the pieces of it? That's of one of the tubes. So we had to nail these down and they still fell off. And we still have a bunch. And then see this board? That is from another firework we lit off and exploded. That was from my cousin who actually lit it. And it blew up and actually knocked us over. Sorry I didn't get a video of it, but I do have a hole in the backyard from when this one blew up right here. So I'm going to show you that one. Alright, so everyone, we're at the hole right now. And as you can see, there's wood pieces in the ground from it blowing up. And you can see all around it that one of the tubes actually exploded. And I mean, geez, this thing just went straight down. I told, well, actually, we knew that something wrong might happen because I did tell the person who lit it, don't light it because it might explode. And I'm not sure, but I think that there's another hole, but I'm not entirely sure where at it was. But yesterday we actually had to quit because of the fireworks kept exploding and people weren't putting them in right. So thanks for watching this 4th of July special.